Bill is written by William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare was born in 1564 and he was died in 1616. The greatest playwright and the poet in English literature. Was the third of 8 children born to a globe maker in Stafford on Avon in England. He received little formal education. At 18, he married Annie Hathaway and soon moved to London. Within 3 years, he was well known as a leading actor and playwright. His great tragedy include Hamlet in 1602, Othello in 1604, King Lear 1605 and Macbeth 1606. He wrote 154 sonnets. Some of them are addressed to an attractive young man, the Earl of Southampton, whom the poet urges to marry. Others show the mysterious dark lady. A love triangle, 2 men to a woman, is suggested in a number of sonnets. Blow, blow, thou winter wind, is about a man's ingratitude. The cold winter wind does not cause so much suffering as a man's ingratitude. Blow, blow, thou winter wind, thou art not so unkind as man's ingratitude. Thy tooth is not so keen because thou art not sin, although the breath be rude. Hey-o, sing hey-o, unto this green holly, most friendship is begging, most loving mere folly. Then hey-o, the holy, this life is most jolly. Freeze thou winter sky, thou does not bite so nigh, as benefits forgot, though thou waters wrath, thy sitting is not so sharp, as friend remembers not. Hey-o, sing hey-o, unto the green holly, most friendship is begging, most loving mere folly. Then hey-o, the holy, the life is most jolly. What does the poet ask the wind to blow? The poet asks the wind to blow as it does not hurt as much as man's ingratitude does. Why does the poet call the winter not so unkind as man's ingratitude? The speakers call so because cold wind hurt our body only, but ingratitude hurt